today we are going to be doing
awkward noises
that you probably shouldn't do in public. It's probably a bad idea.
We do it anyways.
We do it in Walmart.
All the time.
Sounded dirty.
And school. That sounds really dirty.
Somebody's in the bathroom. Probably taking a shit.
That totally can count.
That counts as a noise.
That went with
So,
it.
we're gonna go back and forth between noises. So that
We
was
are?
mine, and that one's yours. Let's think here.
Ah!
You just kind of suck. Get a new one.
Can I scream?
Go right ahead. It's an awkward noise.
Oh, for the love of God.
Want to try that again? Okay, I got one.
I think you should. I think you should do the noises.
I think I've mastered all the noises.
You-
Okay. And it helps if you make a funny face with them. Like, that works.
That does.
Bye!